Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisset. So this is a different kind of video. It's not a makeup tutorial. This time it's going to be a hair tutorial. So let's begin. So during Christmas I got this Lange curling iron, and this is what it looks like. So this is a 32mm or a 1.25 curling iron. What the inside looks like. It comes with well packaged. So this is where you would see the curling iron and of course instructions here. Also, it comes with this glove here. It comes with a glove so you don't burn your hand. Got this at Ulta. So this is a Lange curling wand, and it's in white. I have it on already, so I can start curling my hair. I can show you guys. So this is going to be a hair tutorial slash review of this curling iron. So perk number one, like I said, I got this at Ulta for $79, and I got it as a Christmas gift. So here it is, and it's a 1.25 inch curling wand. Now perk number one, smooth sailing. This is a turmaline infused ceramic coated barrel, and that enables soft shiny waves to be created with minimal heat damage to hair. That is true. I've been using this curling one since December. I've been using it, and so that would be for a couple of months, and I do like how my hair looks. It looks shiny and soft, and you get really nice waves. Mind you, my hair is super thick and long. Thank goodness, I'm blessed. Alright, so perk number two, on the Ulta website it said, so infrared heat technology and advanced heating mechanism guarantees the right curling temperature of 410 degrees with excellent heat conduction and minimum temperature variation for quick and efficient styling. Perk number three, not your grandma's curlers. And that's what it says in here. And the game changers is that it only has one option, so you just turn it on. It doesn't have a setting temperature or anything like that, so you just turn it on and you're good to go. Now it's not double voltage, so, or dual, what am I trying to say? So if you go out of the country, this might not work, I believe so. So then, here are all of the features. I'm just gonna show you. Actually, I'm gonna insert this information on Ulta, or you can go online and read it yourself. And let's begin with the hair tutorial. So I'm gonna part my hair like this. Well, I'm gonna put it up actually. So put on the glove that this comes with. I already added the oil that I use on my hair, portion of my hair, and I'm gonna start curling it outward. Yeah, out, and I normally do out and in, out and in. So outward and inward. Hopefully you guys can see here. And ta-da. So there's the first wave right there. I'm grabbing another section. Now this time we're doing inwards. So the hair going in. I usually just wait like 10, well not 10, but maybe, yeah, 10, 15, 20 seconds, the least, before I release the curl. repeat the same steps, so outward. And as you guys can see, my hair, like I said earlier, is really thick and long. So this curling one is actually fabulous for long and thick hair like mine. Right, and I'm gonna fast forward this video. Alright, so this side is done. Let's begin with my right side. So it's your left side. I like when you do this technique, the in and out with curls. They look prettier. I don't know, do you guys do that with your hair too? Let me know down below. Alright, so the bottom part is done. Let's move to the top. Use the same clip here. So this is just the top of my hair. The rest is back here. So let's begin again and do the same thing. Same technique. I'm gonna go in. Be careful when you release your hair because you can burn your face also. This is how my hair looks now. So it creates really nice waves on the hair, like beachy waves, so it's really nice. And you guys can see the length of my hair. It's pretty long, so let me turn around. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. Again, this is a Lange curling iron. If you guys like me to do more hair tutorials, let me know in the comment section down below. And I will see you guys on my next video. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And click the notification bell so you get notified when new videos get uploaded on my channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!